Hey, this is Ivory with MunchieGoddess.com, and this week we're making air fryer Parmesan green beans. These are delicious, easy, and perfect for any meal. For the ingredients, we're using fresh green beans, olive oil, grated Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. To a medium bowl, add the olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Stir until well blended. Next, add the green beans to the bowl and then toss until well coated. Next, sprinkle on the Parmesan cheese and then gently toss the green beans until well coated. Preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Once ready, add the green beans to the air fryer. If you have any leftover Parmesan cheese from the mixing bowl, go ahead and sprinkle that on top. And then cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Be sure to shake the air fryer basket halfway through. Once they're done, remove them from the air fryer, let them cool, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow me for more easy air fryer recipes.